Right, my newest edition, Ernest Plank. Not really sure of a date, but probably around 1910, perhaps up towards just after the First World War. I suppose someone will correct me. I'm going to be running my little water mill. Steam is probably up, the sound of it. Right, go. Go! Nearly. Messing about with it. It's going anyway. Watermill's going. And there we go. There's no throttle on this thing. All you've got is the length of those wicks. If I wanted to make it go a bit quicker, I could just pull those wicks out a bit to make the flame a bit longer. Likewise, if it's going too fast, you just push them down and make it go a bit slower. That's the theory anyway. Obviously it's not screwed down, so it's leaning a little bit with the weight of the drive band on it. But, stopped. So I think we're losing a bit too much steam out of that piston. Out the top there. I know there's one's exhaust, but it just seems to me there is a leak out the top of that piston. That's why we're losing steam, I think. I'll have to have a look at that. But no. Nice engine. I mean, there's a fair amount of pull needed on that water mill to turn that piston that's inside that little building. It's going a little bit quicker, I think, but anyway, it's just a test. Is that what we can do? We can stop it, take that building off, and run it out. As you can see, without the load, it's whizzing away. Nice engine though, like it. Got a little piston. A bit of steam coming out of there, but I've got mammoths like that. And this is a very light engine, very small engine. It's quite possible the load of that water mill is just a fraction too much for it. But it did run it. Bit of a diversion for me running these old engines. These are by far the oldest ones I've got. It's only getting the spares really that stopped me collecting them before, and engineering or any a machinist I'm not. Oh, it's very good. If we take the burner out, double burner in this one as in the other. Let that run down and we'll call it a day. A day. Thank you.